Hey, creators, struggling to hit those 4,000 watch hours and get monetized on YouTube? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you a step-by-step strategy to achieve 4,000 watch hours in just 30 days using one 30-minute video, and only 300 viewers daily. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly break down why watch hours are important. YouTube requires 4,000 public watch hours over the last 12 months to qualify for the partner program. That means you need consistent, quality engagement to meet this target. Sounds like a lot, right? But here's the math. If you upload a 30-minute video and get just 300 views daily, you can reach your 4,000 hours in a month. Here's how. Let's do some quick math. If one person watches a 30-minute video all the way through, that's 0.5 watch hours. Multiply that by 300 views per day for 30 days, and you'll get 4,500 watch hours. Graphics. Calculator overlay showing 0.5 times 300 times 30 equals 4,500. That's already more than the 4,000 required watch hours. Now, let me show you how to create the perfect 30-minute video and how to drive those 300 views a day. Your video needs to keep viewers engaged for as long as possible. Here's what you can do. Structure. Break your 30-minute video into sections with clear value for the viewer. Hook them early. Your intro needs to grab attention. Tell viewers what they'll learn and why it's worth watching the entire video. Add visuals and B-roll. Use visuals, B-roll, and graphics to keep the content dynamic. Call to action. Encourage viewers to watch until the end by teasing an important point they shouldn't miss. 4. Content matters, but promotion is key. Let's talk about how to get those 300 daily views. To consistently hit 300 views daily, here are my top strategies. SEO optimization. Use keywords, an attractive title, and a detailed description to improve search rankings. Thumbnail. Create a high-quality, clickable thumbnail. Promote. Share your video across social media, and engage in YouTube communities and forums. Leverage playlists. Put your video into a playlist with related content to get views from autoplay. Engage with comments. Reply to comments quickly to boost engagement and visibility. Remember, consistency is key. Focus on promoting your video daily, and don't forget to optimize for retention by keeping your audience engaged from start to finish. So, here's a quick recap. A 30-minute video with 300 daily views will help you reach 4,500 watch hours in a month. Make sure your content is engaging from start to finish. Promote your video consistently to get those views rolling in. With the right video strategy and some consistent effort, you'll be hitting that 4,000 watch hours goal in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. See you in the next one.